How to create a Shopify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Spotify or create a Shopify account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in shopify.com. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply enter your email address over here. After that, tap on the option Start Free Trial. Now once you've done that, you'll have to answer all of these questions over here. So simply select the answer to each and every question, and once you've done all of those, simply select your country or your region. Now, you'll have to create a Shopify ID before you can start your free trial. So you can choose any one of these four. So you can continue with email, continue with Apple, continue with your Facebook account, or finally continue with your Google account. Now, for this example, I'll simply continue using my email address. After that, I'll create a new password for my Shopify account. And now, once you've entered the password, tap on the option Create Shopify ID. Now, it'll first of all validate your account, so be patient and wait for this to complete. And now, as you can see, you have successfully created a Shopify account or signed up for Shopify. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.